Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Krista Smith. I was on my way to knock out for the night, but came across something, got real excited, so I decided to jump on, share something with y'all real quick. Ooh, ooh, Stay tuned. Alright, so I jumped on my Forsage before I was about to knock out, and lo and behold, oh snap, it done started, boy. Got one slot on X3, X4, one referral. Got $6 up in this junk. Woo! Y'all already know what's about to happen. This is just the beginning. Fam, as you can see, this stuff is possible. Even though it's just one referral and $6, it's only up from here. That's the only way we can go from here. I got my hair tied up and everything. I was like, shoot, forget it. I'm just going to jump on real quick, shoot a quick video. It's possible, man. So if you want to get started, it's solely up to you. The link is below in the description. Hey, if you ready to jump, you feeling froggy, then leap. Catch y'all in the next video. And thank y'all for y'all support. All my subscribers so far. I appreciate y'all. Gone.